Hey friends, ever thought about making soft, delicious homemade bread, but fast? Today, we are infusing warm green tea into the dough for a gentle flavor and extra goodness. No green tea powder needed, just a few simple ingredients and 90 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started. Green tea is not just a cozy drink, it's packed with antioxidants, support digestion, and give a gentle energy boost. Drinking 1 to 3 cups a day can be great for overall health, and today we are bringing that goodness into our bread. First, brew a strong cup of green tea. Use 2 or 3 tea bags in 3/4 cups of hot water and let it steep for at least 5 minutes. The stronger the tea, the richer flavor in the bread. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey into the warm green tea. Make sure the tea temperature is not too hot. We want to wake up the yeast, not to kill it. Here what you need: 2 cups or 240 grams of bread flour for softness. 1/3 cup of warm green tea or 175 milligrams for a light and earthy flavor. 1 teaspoon of fast rye yeast for quick action. 2 tablespoons of honey for natural sweetness. 2 tablespoons of softened butter or oil to keep the dough soft and flexible. 1/2 teaspoon of salt for balance of flavors. That's it, a simple ingredients for a soft and fast homemade bread. Step 2. Mixing the dough. In a large bowl, combine the bread flour, yeast, and salt, and give it a quick mix. Now add the warm green tea with honey. Stir everything together until a rough dough forms. Time to knead. Knead the dough for about 2 minutes, then add 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. This helps keep the dough soft, stretchy, and full of energy. Continue kneading for 5 more minutes. If you feel it dry, add a teaspoon of warm tea. If it's too sticky, dust with a little flour until the dough is smooth and elastic. Step 4. First rye. Cover and let it ride for 30 minutes in the warm spot. After 30 minutes, punch down the dough and shape it into a loaf and place it in a greasy pan. Cover it again and let it ride for another 10 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Time to bake. Pop it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown on top. Your kitchen is about to smell amazing. And there you have it, my friend. Soft homemade green tea bread in just 90 minutes. Perfect for toast, sandwiches, or just enjoying warm with butter. Try this at home and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple homemade recipe. Happy baking!